Hi guys, it's Loretta with Sparrowhawker Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So very quickly, I have a video up on this quilt already that goes into more detail on the quilt, but I had a subscriber ask me how I constructed the background blocks that these are on, and rather than just reply to her directly and post links in my response, I thought, well, other people might be interested in how the background is constructed as well. So I'm making this very quick video that's basically going to link you to other videos. So, uh, but very, very quickly, this is my blinged up Dresden crazy quilt that I did. And these Dresdens were found in a booth in Paducah, Kentucky at the AQS show. And I brought them home and put them on a big block like this, and so I basted them onto this background block first, and then I blinged them all up. Then I did the embroidery and embellishing on the background block. So this background is made from a couple of different things. So there's a big block here of cotton. It's just any old cotton that you have that you wanted to use. And then I made crazy patch strips here and here. I made the strips and then cut them and sewed them to this block, and then the longer ones here and at the top. So basically I framed just a plain old piece of cotton with these crazy patch strips, and then I basted this on top of that, and then I did all the embellishing on this and then the embellishing on this. There is a two-part video that I did on how I construct my crazy quilt blocks. The first episode, the first part I should say, is the flip and sew method, which I did not use on this. Part two, I just kind of show you other ways to make crazy patches, and I don't actually like sew for you or anything, but I do go through a little more in depth on how I make the crazy patch strips, okay? So basically what that is I just made a paper template out of these strips, and I just glued like 2 or 3 pieces of paper together so I would have a long enough piece, and then I go through with a pen and a ruler and kind of make these angled edges through there, and I cut those all up. You got to mark them to make sure you get them back in order the right way. And trace them yet again with a 1/4 inch seam allowance around them, and then I use those paper templates to cut out the fabric, and then you have to be very careful that you get your fabric sewn back together the right way. And make them, I will tell you, if you're going to do this, make your strips a little bit wider and a little bit longer than you actually need them to be, because you're sewing on a bias and it's not going to be even. It just won't be. I have used this strip method in another quilt that I did, which this is a little more colorful, so you might actually be able to see this a little bit better. So that's the same. In fact, it's the exact same pattern. I just used the same pattern that I made more than once. So, and so that is literally just strips, and you just like here, so you're going to sew these two together and then sew it to that one, and then here you're going to sew these two together and then sew that to that one, that kind of thing. So anyway, I will link the video for that, and I will link the video for this whole quilt. But before that, I just wanted to say thank you very much for all the support you've given my channel. I reached 4,000 subscribers, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. And really, it's very humbling. And I'm going to do a giveaway. One of the things I'm going to give away is this pendant that I made. Isn't she cute? Look at that. Anyway, I don't know, like, if that will... There we go. It focused. How about that? Anyway, yeah, I'm going to give away this. I might make another one that's a little bit different. I mean, it won't be the exact same thing for a giveaway to go with it. I don't know. I might give away 2 things. I haven't decided. Anyway, all you need to do to enter the giveaway is to be a subscriber, like this video, comment on this video, and you don't have to, but if you would like to go through and maybe pick out one of your favorite videos of mine and share it on your social media, whatever it might be, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever, you know, share the link, that would be awesome. Okay, all right, so I hope this, I know this video is not going to be for everybody, but just in case somebody else wanted to know, I thought I would go ahead and do it. So anyway, all right, guys, thank you so much. I will talk to you later. Bye.